We just mentioned because the chopsticks too long, it's very inconvenient for us to take it. Besides, it may get dirty, so what can we do? Have you discussed with your partners for 30 seconds and brainstorming some ideas? Okay, now I'll tell you how Taiwan people figure out the solutions. Ta-da! This is the way. See? They use the screw idea. Then you can easily combine them. Yes. It becomes the same length. See? It's cool, right? Yeah. When you're done with it, you just unscrew it. Okay. And it may get dirty, right? What can we do? So, they figure out a solution. You know what's that? Okay. The case. Yes. Put everything inside. Like this. Ta-da! Yes. And you put it inside. Yeah! Now it's perfect! You can take it! Yay! Did you come up with the same ideas? Okay?